Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download the Tapswap app and install the update. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Google Play Store and search for Tapswap. You will see some apps, but Tapswap Kenya is not the one we need. Tapswap uses a Telegram to function, so we need to install the Telegram app. Search for Telegram, install it. After installing, open Telegram and click on Start. You will need to create your account by entering your name, phone number, and few other details. I have already logged in, so I don't need to. After creating your account, use the search bar at the top right corner here and type in Tapswap. Look for the Tapswap bot. Make sure it's verified. This one and should be verified. Otherwise, don't click on it. Click on the top Tapswap bot and hit start to begin interacting with the bot. Here, click start. Next, click on the play button here and Tapswap should begin loading. Click start and see the Tapswap is now loaded. Once it loads, you will see a welcome message. Click on join our community to get started. If the service is overloaded or there are issues, just wait a few minutes or hours and try again. Tapswap is very popular and the services can sometimes get busy. That's it. You should now have Tapswap app and running. In this video, if this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.